Hi, welcome back to MobiQ. Today I have an Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. In this phone display broken, I will show you how replace Samsung S22 Ultra LCD. Carefully insert small steel opener. Apply SAM 530 spray. Insert plastic sheet. Remove the gum all area. Remove the back glass. Remove the all screws. Continue to remove all screws. Apply SAM thinner. Remove the wireless pad using plastic opener tool. Please do not damage wireless pad. Disconnect the wireless pad connector. Continue to disconnect the wireless pad connector. Take out the wireless pad. Disconnect the battery connector. Disconnect the antenna connector. Take out the antenna. Disconnect the network antenna strip. Disconnect the charging strip. Disconnect the display strip. Disconnect front camera strip. Disconnect the fingerprint strip. Insert SIM rejector. Remove the SIM tray. Remove the speaker bezel. Remove the screw. Disconnect the network antenna strip and charging strip. Take out the charging strip and network antenna strip. Disconnect the charging board. SIM tray also coming charging board. Disconnect the display strip. Take out the display strip. Take out the S22 Ultra double layer motherboard. You can see nice motherboard. Remove the earpiece screws. Take out the earpiece. Remove the front camera side black gum. Take out the front camera. Apply SAM 530 spray. Remove the battery. Take out the battery. You can see remove each and every parts. Samsung S22 Ultra UK Original LCD. I buy in Dubai Dara Market. I pay 790 United Arab Emirates dirhams. In this LCD purchase time must you need to check. Remove every parts. Remove the front camera sticker. Fix the earpiece speaker. Fix the screws. To attach the motherboard to housing. Connect all strip to motherboard. Remove the front camera dust. Fix the front camera. Fix the charging board to housing. Connect the display strip. Stick double tap to housing. Remove the double tap first layer. Fix the battery. Connect the display strip and charging strip. Connect the antenna strip. Put the screw on charging board. Fix the speaker bezel. Connect the antenna. Connect the battery connector. Fix the wireless charging pad. Fix all screws. Remove the dust. Clean the back glass and camera hole. Apply gum for back glass fixing. Fix the back glass. Remove the outside gum. Put the SIM tray. Remove the style pen. Put the styles pen. Turn on the phone. Samsung logo coming. Turn on normally. Check the touch function. Put the rubber bands. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.